Is the number one reason network marketers fail. Now, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, network marketing is becoming more and more popular. A lot of opportunities are coming out now that are actually good. All right, so a lot of people are being drawn to these opportunities because they are very, very inexpensive to get started with, and the earning potential are crazy. But with all that being said, a lot of people are still joining these network marketing opportunities and not making a damn dime. So that reason is most people just join. Now you might be thinking, what the hell is that supposed to mean? What do you mean most people just join? Obviously people join. No. What I'm saying is people will see an opportunity. Right? We use the LiveGood opportunity. That's one of the opportunities I'm involved with. So you look at LiveGood. People see the LiveGood opportunity. They'll take that LiveGood tour. They'll watch the video. They'll get excited, right? They're like, oh man, this is it. Oh, I see about the matrix and matching bonuses and the products and whoop-de-woo, right? So they'll actually take the time to sign up. They'll take the time to become an affiliate, right? They do all that. And then nothing, right? They'll do nothing, right? They still living off the hypeness of like, oh my God, I'm a part of LiveGood. Oh, I got the opportunity to earn thousands of dollars a month, right? I got the opportunity to make life-changing income, right? But they actually never do anything. And that is like the majority of people. That's why you hear so many negative people talk about how, oh, network marketing, 95% or 97% of people fail. Yeah, because 97% of people decide not to do anything after they join, right? And here's the thing. Here's the true reality about old school network marketing, and even with the new school, the new era of network marketing companies out here that's making it super easy to get started with, right? Is you still have to put real effort in to be successful. All right, even if you're watching this and you're like, man, dude, you don't know what you're talking about. I joined LiveGood or GotBackup or whatever, and man, I posted like 3 videos. I put them up on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I posted on Facebook like twice a week. You know, I even got business cards printed out. You know what I'm saying? I handed them to like 3 of my friends, right? Wrong. Like, that's still in the category of just joining and not doing nothing. If you see all these people out here and they're making so-and-so making $5,000-$10,000 a month, blah, blah, blah. That's like, these people are out there, right? They are promoting the shit out of their opportunity, point blank and period, right? You have to. Like, if you get involved with this industry, come into it with the mindset of, this is a long journey, right? Don't come in like, oh, I'm expecting to make this in 30 days. I'm expecting to make 10 grand in 30 days. Nah, you need to come into network marketing like, look, where am I going to be in 1 to 3 years with this company? My goal is to be at 10 grand a month in the next 1 to 3 years or 1 to 5 years, right? So many people come in because they get all hyped up and they get disappointed when they're not making 10 grand in 6 months. It's like, come on now. So you have to understand that it takes more than just, paying the startup costs, right? And 1 or 2 Facebook posts, right? 1 or 2 YouTube videos. Now, granted, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. When it comes to YouTube, you could actually, create a video that goes viral and pop off, and it could make you a lot of money, right? But that's not what you should be like expecting, right? Come into this game with a plan, and it doesn't have to be stressful and hard and, depressing, right? Like, treat this like a real business, but also like have something else going on in your life while you're building your opportunity, whether it be your part-time job, a full-time job, work from home job, side hustle, whatever. But do not come into network marketing and it's the end all be all for you, right? If you don't make this work in 2 weeks, you're gonna be homeless. Damn all that. Like, you should be having fun building your opportunity. You should have fun promoting if you're in LiveGood or GotBackup or whatever you into. It should be fun. You should not be stressed out. But at the same time, you do have to be willing to put in a good amount of effort to get that success. So wherever it be, if it's Facebook marketing, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just doing some offline marketing, come up with a strategy and implement it, right? And while you're doing it, you should have some sort of other income in your life. That way you won't be so stressed out when you don't get immediate results from your opportunity. Because let me tell you something, as somebody who's involved with 3 network marketing opportunities and making money in all 3, I can tell you, it feels so good once you start getting those first commissions and then you start getting those monthly little bonuses. Trust me, it is worth it. You know what I'm saying? Put in the effort now, right? And reap the benefits in the future. Because network marketing, affiliate marketing, it is the shit. Now, if you want to check out the opportunities that I'm currently making money with right now, check out the links in the description and in the comment of this video.